what you like about it?
Where I fucked up on.
Okay.
I can see where I messed up.
So you can see it now.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can see where you made you can see where you made a slight deviation.
Right.
You know, and you can see where it's coming up. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And how not to do that again.
Right.
Yeah. How about yourself? What do you think about it?
I like it.
Yeah? Why you like it?
Because it can show you, like, 'cause sometimes I feel like I'm close enough and all that, but really I'm far away.
Right.
Okay,
When you
yeah, right.
see it, it's like,
Yeah,
but when
okay.
you're doing it, you're like, I'm there.
Right. Okay. We're gonna go.